trains have become an integral and indispensable part of the lives of the people in almost all the major cities of the world. It is difficult to imagine how people would live without the metro trains. The metro trains have proved themselves to be the most reliable, efficient and comfortable mode of urban commuting.
Jaipur, the first planned city in India, was founded in 1727 by Maharaja Jai Singh II and designed by the Bengali architect Vidyadhar. The residents of Jaipur have for generations lived surrounded by resplendent heritage and have lovingly conserved their unique legacy.
The most historic center of every town, whether it is in Europe or India, is the central core area, and which traditionally would have narrower roads, and then the whole city develops around it. Jaipur has a very strong historic fabric. It has a great amount of significance, both for its historic buildings as well as its planning and its urban layout, and therefore the metro has been designed in a manner to have minimal impact on the historic core. Unless we have efficient mass public transport systems within historic city areas, we would just be over-congesting them with cars and vehicular traffic.
With the passage of time, the city has expanded. Areas once tranquil are today bustling business centers, crowded and congested. Sprawling urbanization has made traffic in the city a painful nightmare. The need for the metro, a modern, efficient mode of urban transportation, has long been felt.
मेट्रो आ जाएगी, उससे व्यापार चौतरफा बढ़ेगा। आज जो टूरिस्ट दूर है या ग्राहक जो दूर है, वो पहुंचने में असक्षम होता है, ट्रैफिक पार्किंग परेशानी है। वो परेशानी हट जाएगी तो टूरिस्ट अधिक पहुंचेगा, ग्राहक अधिक पहुंचेगा, परचेज सेल दोनों ही बढ़ेगी।
दिल्ली भी देख के आया हूँ, चांदनी चौक में देख के आया हूँ। मैंने देखा कि इतने कंजेस्ट एरिया में इन लोगों ने मेट्रो बनाई, तो यहाँ जयपुर में कोई कंजेस्ट एरिया नहीं है ऐसा।
Life in Chavri Bazaar, one of the most crowded parts of the walled city in Old Delhi, was dramatically transformed with the advent of the metro. Residents as well as visitors were liberated from the tyranny of traffic jams.
ये मेट्रो जो जुड़ा है, इससे लोगों को काफ़ी सुविधा मिली है। पुरानी दिल्ली क्षेत्र जो वाल सिटी है, इसके अंदर इतना ट्रैफिक है कि यहाँ 2-2 घंटे जाम लगता है।
बिजनेस में बहुत फर्क पड़ा है। मेट्रो से फायदा है, भीड़ भाड़ से बचते हैं, पार्किंग से बचते हैं, जल्दी आ जाते हैं।
मेट्रो ने आम आदमी के जीवन में क्या कुछ नहीं सिखाया। टाइम पे पाबंद होना सिखा दिया, लेट हो ही नहीं सकता, एफिशिएंट हो गया अपने वर्क को लेके, टू द मार्क हो गया है, मनी सेविंग हो गई है। इस मेट्रो ने इस दिल्ली को क्या कुछ नहीं दिया, सब कुछ दिया, खुले दिल से दिया है, और आम जनता ने भी इस मेट्रो को खुले दिल से अपनाया है।
Delhi's experience with the metro in Chavri Bazaar in the walled city has made the residents of Jaipur dream of a metro of their own. They realize that only a modern means of urban transport like the metro can give a boost to the business in the city.
मेट्रो की हम तो ऐसे इंतजार कर रहे हैं जैसे एक किसान बारिश के लिए इंतजार कर रहा होता है कि कब बारिश आए और कब मेरी खेती हो, कब लहलहाए और ईश्वर की मुझ पे कृपा हो। इसी तरह हम व्यापारी हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ग्राहक आएँ, हमारी प्रॉस्पेरिटी बढ़े। मेट्रो का एक बड़ा हाथ है जिसके द्वारा कोई भी कस्टमर आसानी से बहुत कम किराए के अंदर यहाँ पे पहुँच सकेगा। वो पहुँचेगा तो हमारी प्रॉस्पेरिटी भी बढ़ेगी।
The Jaipur Metro will make the city's resplendent heritage, its landmark monuments, much more accessible than they are today. The imposing Chand Pol, delicately tapered, towering Isharlat, the enduring enchantment of the multi-tiered facade of the Hawa Mahal, the surreal symmetry of precision instruments in the Jantar Mantar Observatory will all be just a short, pleasant walk away after a ride on the metro. The Heritage Line ensures that the beautiful cityscape showcasing Jaipur's heritage isn't defaced.
Protection of our valuable heritage is a major focus of Jaipur Metro Rail project, and in this project we have engaged all manner of experts to ensure that the security and safety of our heritage monuments, our heritage buildings is not compromised. Not only that, the whole design of metro project has been revised to ensure that the heritage look of the world city is not compromised in any manner.
The work is progressing under the close and constant supervision of the highest ranking officials to ensure that there is no lapse.
मैंने फ्रांस में भी ट्रैवल किया है, मैंने दिल्ली मेट्रो में भी ट्रैवल किया है। वहाँ पर मेट्रो जो है वो हेरिटेज मॉन्यूमेंट्स के पास से गुजरती है, तो वहाँ पर कुछ नहीं हुआ तो मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पर भी कुछ नहीं होगा।
The Delhi Metro's experience proved not only reassuring but also inspiring. The metro will bring many of the heritage monuments, including Delhi Gate, the Red Fort and Jama Masjid, pleasantly within reach. In Delhi, the underground metro line is being laid down with ample safeguards to ensure that it doesn't cause any damage to these historic structures. Like in Delhi, in Jaipur also, the underground metro line will ensure this. Metro trains the world over have helped conserve cultural heritage. This mode of transport reduces the worst threat, pollution. It has been the experience in major historic cities that the metro enhances the glory and grandeur of heritage buildings rather than cause any harm to them.
When work started on the Jaipur Metro Rail project, there were a lot of apprehensions. Some residents of the city were worried that the beautiful face of Jaipur will now be defaced, the face that preserves the cultural heritage of the city. But ironically, what happened was quite the contrary. When excavations were carried out on this stretch where we stand, this beautiful stepwell was discovered that had remained unseen, buried underground for centuries and generations. And now, the Jaipur Metro has gladly accepted the responsibility of giving new lease of life to this beautiful piece of heritage.
As work progressed, an amazing discovery was made. When the surface structure was dismantled at Choti Chopar, an old stepwell was uncovered that had remained buried for over 150 years. Further excavations unveiled another, even older layer and exposed a beautiful kund fed by water, brought by cleverly designed underground channels. The old water tank appears to have been abandoned when piped water supply was introduced. Gormukhs, wrought in marble, that served as elegant water spouts shaped like cows' heads, were carefully removed and transferred to the Albert Hall Museum.
इस तरह के काम पहले भी हो चुके हैं। नागार्जुन कोंडा में हैदराबाद के पास में एक डैम बना था, वहाँ से सारे मॉन्यूमेंट उखाड़ के दूसरी जगह ले गए थे, फिर सेट किया गया। उसी बेसिस पर हम लोगों ने किया है कि जैसे जैसे ये मॉन्यूमेंट है ठीक उसी तरह हम लोगों ने पहले इसके डॉक्यूमेंटेशन किया, फोटोग्राफी ली, ड्राइंग बनवाई है और एक एक पत्थर का नंबर लगाया गया है। इसी बेसिस पर बाद में रिकंस्ट्रक्ट कर गए।
Excavations at the site of the Bari Chopar uncovered yet another Bauli, large stepwell. Historic texts from the early 18th century describe a water tank at this site that was used for ritual bathing and other purposes. The water reservoirs originally provided cool environs, welcome spaces for people to rest, and were originally designed for intense social use. Professionals with the required expertise and experience are involved in this painstaking task.
This particular project has helped reveal a historic layer of Jaipur that was lost to the city and to the citizens for over a century. And what we are so excited about is that at the end of this project, we would be able to recreate at the two choppers the historic 18th century as well as the historic 19th century layering of the water reservoirs that were originally part of the city of Jaipur.
After the reinstatement of the Choti Chopar and Badi Chopar, imagine yourself stepping out of the metro station to encounter an aesthetically pleasing world-class public plaza. With a beautiful stepwell as the centerpiece and a myriad of other attractions. Both the choppers would be carefully recreated with traditional, archaeologically authenticated material. The idea is to familiarize residents and tourists with the story of this forgotten part of their heritage that has remained buried for generations. Mood lighting at night would create a magical ambiance and attract people irresistibly.
The whole idea is to be very, very sensitive and careful about this immensely beautiful heritage that the city has, and to be respectful about it and yet maintain the utmost levels of professionalism to be able to ensure its continued care and its preservation.
People in Jaipur today recognize the urgent need for a modern means of transport. They are aware that history bears witness that whenever development and beautification of the walled city were required, changes were made to cope with emerging needs. In years to come, all can take pride in Mari Metro, and it will become an integral part of the heritage of the Pink City.